Now, I want to show you something which is actually amazing. Each time I'm generating an image, let's say I just generate that image, right? And I want the workflow inside the image that generate that image. I want it. Why? Because it will it's easier for me to change it. I just created 200 images and I want the workflow of that specific image. What can I do to solve this issue? The thing that it's super cool, for my opinion, is I'm just dragging the image and look what happened. Okay, I drag the image to the Comfy and it actually changed my entire workflow to the workflow of the specific image. I work with it. I will drag another image. You see how it's working. When ComfyUI create an image, it also put metadata. Metadata is any additional data that the software want to add to the image. A different parameter, different style, different whatever. The Comfy actually taking this entire data of this entire workflow represented as a string, yeah, in it's called a JSON format, which is a JavaScript object, and will inject it to the image. So now you can take any image you want, any image that generated by Comfy and didn't change by any other software, and you can drag it to this area, and you can get all the node that generated with this image. Now, here's the important part. If you have a workflow that you don't want other to know about, so you need to convert after you generate an image. You just generate an image. You need to take the image and convert it using another software, yeah, or to use a software that will remove the metadata from that image. Okay, there is a software called EXIF. Is a command line tool that actually it can inject and remove and change metadata for different media, video, images, whatever you want. Okay, this tool I'm using it as well, but this is a different tutorial. But please be careful. If you want to know that, if you want to make sure that no one will take your workflow from the image, remove it from the generated image, or just save it again with another program, like Windows Photo or whatever, any program. It will make your flow just undetectable. Okay? And now, if you do want to give it to someone else, totally fine. Just give him the image. He will drag it to the Comfy, and that's it. He will get the entire flow with, by the way, with all the params, all the connections, all the values. Everything will be there. Okay? Thank you very much. That's it for today. Please subscribe, give me a like, whatever you want. If you want to support me, we want to get to spread the word on this amazing tool and other tools as well. Have a great day. Bye.